What's up everyone, this is Jalay. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing 16GB of dual channel RAM sticks, and I have decided to go with two modules of 8GB Corsair Vengeance LPX. I will be releasing a full review shortly, but for now, let's take a look at the box and what's inside. Quickly going through the box, on the front, you will see that these are double data rate 4th generation modules or DDR4 in short. The capacity of each of these sticks is 8GB and the clock speed is 3200 MHz. The box says that these sticks support Intel CPUs only, which contradicts with the information available on the website. So don't worry about buying these if you are planning on using them in your AMD Ryzen based system, as they will work just fine. There is not much information on the left, right, top and the bottom of the box. Moving to the back, you will find some information regarding the importer, manufacturing date, MRP and so on. I like the way Corsair comes up with the model number, as you will find some technical information right from itself, such as this is an 8GB module, the clock speed is 3200 MHz and the cast latency of 16 or in short CL16. There is also a hole through which you can have a sneak peek of what's inside the box. For more technical specifications, let's break the box open and get a closer look at the stick. Apart from what we already know, the timings of these sticks are 16, 20, 20, 38, which is quite decent, and the voltage requirement is 1.35 volts. Looking at the physical size of the memory stick, it is 135mm long and 34mm tall, which is surprisingly bigger than my phone. The low profile design of these sticks make them perfect fit for most of the micro ATX and mini ATX systems. Installing the stick into the motherboard is pretty simple and satisfying. First of all, consult your motherboard manual and find out which DIMM slots are recommended to populate first. If you have the same motherboard as mine, which is MSI B450 Tomahawk Max, the recommended slots are A2 and B2. By the way, I have done a full review of this motherboard. You can check out that video by clicking on the iCard or the link in the description. First of all, open these switches. Line up the notch on the stick with the notch on the DIMM slot. Apply equal pressure on both sides of the sticks downwards until you hear a click sound or see that those switches are closed, and that's it. You cannot really go wrong here, as there is only one correct way, unless of course you have an incompatible RAM stick. These Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM sticks are capable of overclocking and designed for high performance by providing support to XMP 2.0. Keep in mind, these sticks won't work at 3200 MHz right out of the box. In order to utilize the advertised speed, you will have to go to your BIOS and manually overclock them. If you are not sure how to do that, just enable the XMP profile and you are good to go. When we talk about overclocking, cooling is absolutely vital, and the unique design of these aluminum heat spreaders dissipate heat faster and as a result provide effective overclocking potential. Like I said earlier, I will release a full review with benchmarks and my personal experience after I use it for a while. That's been it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more PC related content, and I will see you guys in the next one.